Boys and girls, right? If there's one thing I will not tire of, and that's a chicken wing. I could eat kilos of the things. They're delicious. So that's what I'm gonna make today. I'm gonna make some nice spicy Korean inspired chicken wings with this stuff here. It's called gochujang. It's a Korean sort of hot chili paste. It's super versatile, it's flavorful, and it makes a banging sauce for wings. So that is what we're gonna do. Let's get on with it. Let's get some wings out of the fridge. So I've got a kilo of wings here, and there's a mixture. We've got some drumettes and we've got some flats. Tell me in the comments which you prefer. I prefer the flats. I just think the meat is sweeter, it's just juicier and a lot more flavour. So, pays your money, takes your choice. Now we're going to season the wings, but before you do that, get your oven preheated. I'm going to put mine on about 200 degrees C, which is fan assisted. So, if you're non-fan assisted, what's that, 220, something like that. Now, we don't need to go too crazy with the seasoning with the wings because most of the flavour is going to be in our gochujang sauce. So I'm going to add a good pinch of salt and also a bit of pepper. You can use black pepper. I'm using white pepper because that's all I've got at the minute. I've run out. Then to that, we're going to add some corn flour. It's going to help the wings go nice and crispy. And you don't need to be too precise with it. You just want enough to kind of coat. About four tablespoons should be enough. You can always add a bit more if you want. And then get your hands in there and kind of give it a good old toss up. Oven tray. Shake off any excess corn flour and lay your chicken wings out. You can deep fry these, you can also do them in the air fryer, but you know, trying to be a little bit healthy, I suppose. Then we need to get these little suckers into the oven. Now they'll take about 25 minutes to cook, just until they're nice and golden brown. And we're gonna just baste them with a little bit of oil just halfway through, because that'll just help them get nice and crispy. But onto the sauce, let's go. Now, the sauce couldn't be easier. Okay, so we've got a saucepan here. I'm going to add just a little touch of oil. And then we're going to add some ginger garlic paste. Now, this brand isn't particularly great. It's not the best out there. And you can also make your own from scratch as well. But for ease of use, I'm going to add this in. So, pan onto the heat. We'll put it on what? Don't want it too high because you don't want to burn the garlic. We'll stick it on 3. Well, I was going to add a tablespoon, but can't get the flipping thing in the jar. All right, we'll have to improvise. Hold on. Sort of gonna have to do this, ain't I? This is a professional cooking channel, by the way. Right, dump that in there and wait till that comes to a bit of a sizzle. You need to cook it out for about 30 seconds. Now, once that ginger garlic paste starts sizzling, we're gonna go in with our gochujang. 2 good heaped tablespoons of that. And because this sauce is all about balance, we need some sweetness in there. So we need some honey. In it goes. You could use some like brown sugar if you want. And for some saltiness, we're going to add some soy sauce. This is dark soy. And let that just trickle away for a minute because we need some acid. Come on, out you come, you bitch. Now, my acid of choice, lime. You could use lemon juice, vinegar, whatever you've got, but we do need some acid to balance out that sweetness. So I'm going to roll out my lime like so. This helps extract more juice. Cut it in half. And the same again, we want about 2 tablespoons of juice. And I've got a cut on my finger and that lime juice is going straight in. But give that a quick stir. Now, I'm not going to taste it just yet because that's going to be like molten lava. So I'm just going to pop that to one side. Let's check on our wings. Oh, it's too fucking hot in it as well. It's that time of the year, isn't it, where Adam gets grumpy because it's too flipping warm. Open. Now you can see, look, they're a little bit pasty, a little bit pale. So what I'm going to do is just dab just a light brushing of oil, then whack these little suckers back in to finish cooking. Right, this sauce has cooled down a little bit, so let's give it a quick taste. What it packs a punch. Got a lot of flavour in there, but you want that. Right, I would say that these little suckers are done. So let's get them out. Now, they are smelling amazing. So get those straight into a mixing bowl. And I gently warm through our sauce with just a tiny bit of water, just to kind of thin it out slightly. But get that over those wings. Then all it's a case of doing is mixing them all up. And make sure every bit of wing is coated. And then just simply pile those up into a bowl. And then just a final flourish of spring onion. And there you have some gochujang spicy chicken wings. Sweet, delicious, savoury, freaking yummy as fuck. And I mean, for like fair warning, you're gonna get in a mess with these, but that's like part of the fun, isn't it? But they are so good. Best way I can describe them is Moorish, right? But don't take my word for it. Go and make them yourself and get some of this gochujang, all right? They make great like chicken wings, like we've shown, but this stuff also makes great marinades, sauces, like dressings for salads and stuff. It's a really versatile ingredient, and it's not that expensive either. Gochujang, good shit. So you saw how easy that was, really simple to make, and most of the work is in this, right? That's where all the flavour lies. But I'm gonna bugger off because I've got like a whole bowl of wings to polish off, and yes, I will smash all of these, folks, I will. But listen, I'm gonna shoot off, I'll leave you to it. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see your gorgeous faces next time. Ta-ra for now.